Whisper a wish. Understanding idiomatic expressions in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, whisper a wish. This idiom may seem simple, but it carries a special meaning and is used in various contexts. Let's dive into its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use it effectively in your conversations. The phrase, whisper a wish, implies saying a wish quietly to oneself, often in a hopeful or dreamy manner. This expression is rooted in the idea that a wish is something personal and intimate, and whispering it adds a sense of secrecy or magic. It's often used in storytelling or when describing a deeply held hope. Subsection 2.1. In literature and storytelling. In literature, whisper a wish is used to add a magical or whimsical quality to a scene. For example, a character might whisper a wish to a shooting star or while blowing out birthday candles. Subsection 2.2. In everyday language. In everyday language, it can be used more metaphorically. Saying someone whispers a wish could mean they are quietly hoping for something without expressing it openly. It reflects a sense of privacy and delicacy regarding one's desires. 1. As she saw the first star appear in the night sky, she whispered a wish for her loved one's safe return. 2. On his birthday, Timmy closed his eyes and whispered a wish before blowing out the candles. This phrase also ties into cultural practices and superstitions. Many cultures believe that whispering a wish gives it a better chance of coming true, especially in moments deemed auspicious, like seeing a shooting star. Understanding phrases like, whisper a wish, adds richness to your English language skills. It's not just about the words, but the emotions and cultural contexts they carry. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you appreciate the beauty and depth of English idioms. Happy learning, and don't forget to whisper your wishes.